Welcome students to the online learning of South International School. This is part 5 of grade 9 science chapter number 5. Here we will be discussing about a cell wall. In the previous video we discussed about plasma membrane, which was the outer envelope of the cell. Same way, the cell wall is also an outer hard covering of the cell which is made up of cellulose, and it gives rigidity and shape to the cell. What was the plasma membrane made up of? It was made up of proteins, lipids and carbohydrates. Same way, the cell wall is made up of cellulose, which is a carbohydrate. Next, what is plasmolysis? Plasmolysis means a process in which the contents of the cell means the materials that are present inside the cell are away from the cell wall. They shrink and contract. How do they shrink and contract? When the water molecules is removed out of the cell, it will shrink. When the water molecules get inside the cell, it will expand, that it will swell. With the help of the process known as osmosis, water moves in and out of the cell with the help of osmosis only. So when in an hypertonic solution, when the osmosis process takes place, it is known as plasmolysis. Now, how can a dead cell absorb water? Dead cell, which is a dead cell? The cork. Can it absorb water? No. The dead cells cannot absorb water through the process of osmosis. Next is how plants, fungus and bacteria exist in hypotonic solution. What was the hypotonic medium? The medium in which the concentration of solute is more than solvent. Okay, in which the concentration of water, the water out in the outer surrounding, the concentration of water was more, so water was getting inside the cell. So in plants, fungi and bacteria exist in such situation because of the rigid cell membrane. Even if the cells swell up, the cell membrane is able to prevent it from bursting out. Okay, so plasma membrane can burst out, but the cell wall, it doesn't allow the cell to get burst. It gives a rigid structure to the cell. So because of the cell membrane, it will not burst when it is kept in a hypotonic solution. So here we complete the cell wall.